Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video I am going to be using some products by Uniqurl. Specifically the elongating twisting cream is what I'm going to be doing the review on. This is one of their newest products and I was very interested to see how this elongating twisting cream would work for my hair. I've already shampooed my hair and I used the Aloe Mint 2-in-1 conditioning shampoo by Uniqurl, and y'all, this shampoo was definitely bomb. Like when I was putting it on my hair, it felt like I was putting a conditioner on it. Y'all, it felt so good going onto my hair. Like it really defined my curls, and then when I rinsed it out, like my hair felt really cleansed. It didn't feel stripped or anything, and I could tell that just the one wash that I did with this shampoo was just enough for my hair. So yeah, I really enjoyed using this shampoo. Y'all should definitely try it if you have not already. So then I went in with my deep conditioner by Uniqurl as well. It is their Aloe Mint 2-in-1 deep conditioner, and it detangles and strengthens hair. This is what that looks like. Once again, this was a really good deep conditioner. I have reviewed these products on my channel. I will have the video linked up above and in the description box so you can check that out after this video. So the next product I went in with by Uniqurl is their moisturizing leave-in spray. It's a lightweight moisturizer, daily refresher, and detangler, and it says that it's for all hair types. And this is what that looks like. And I will say that this is definitely a lightweight conditioner, but at the same time it is moisturizing. And I was a little bit sad because this little pump thing did not work. And so I had to take this off and pour it into my hands, and that was a bit of a task because this leave-in conditioner is like very liquidy. But anyway, I was able to apply that to my hair, and that is what is currently in my hair now. And I will take my hair down in a minute so that you guys can see what my hair actually looks like with just the leave-in in. So like I said earlier, the star of this video will be the elongating twisting cream, and its claims are to elongate and moisturize. So this is what it looks like here. And they came out with this elongating cream on Black Friday, and that is when I got it. So this is what it looks like. It is very shiny, which leads me to believe that this could have like a really good slip to it. The smell of it is like a really light scent. It is not strong or overbearing. It has dragon fruit and honey in it. I'm not really sure what dragon fruit smells like, so I'm not sure if that's the light scent that I am smelling, but it isn't like a tropical scent or anything, just like a nice soft mellow scent. So I'm going to go ahead and take my hair down so you guys can see what it is looking like. And as you can see, my hair looks really moisturized. I do have definition, and yeah, my hair looks really good, and the mint scent does linger. It's not very strong, but just, you know, an FYI that the scent does linger. So what I am going to be doing today is a braid out, and I'll probably do like maybe 4 or 5 braids, so that means they'll be pretty chunky. But like I said, the claims of this cream is to elongate, so you don't want your hair to be like super wet because it will shrink, because you know shrinkage is inevitable regardless if something says that it's elongating or not. Like you're gonna have some shrinkage. So for best results, I suggest doing it on damp hair, which is what my hair is at this moment. Okay, so here is the cream here, and this is the consistency of it. Feels super duper creamy, and it is thick as well. That is what it looks like, y'all. So I am going to just apply it to this section here, and as I am applying it, it does have a good bit of slip to it. I'm not going to say that it's super duper slippery, but it is slippery, and as you can see, it is adding additional shine to my hair as well. So yeah, that is what that section is looking like. Okay, so now we are ready to braid, and like I said, I'm going to take 3 even sections and just start braiding. This buttery 12-ounce formula elongates your twist outs while providing a super moisturizing hold. It includes power ingredients like avocado oil, sweet almond oil, and dragon fruit to infuse a healthy dose of moisture into your strands. How does it elongate? We simply made the formula more heavy, thick, and buttery to help weigh down your hair. We also use less water in the formula to prevent curl reversion and frizz while your twists set and dry. This is why we suggest to limit how much water you add while using this product. The formula of this elongating cream is not only thicker than the 4-in-1 styler, but it is also meant to do 2 things, which is elongate and twist. Okay, so I am done putting in my braids, and I ended up having 5 braids. That is 2 on this side and 3 right here. What they look like. So once my hair has completely dried, which will probably be in about 2 days instead of tomorrow or next day, but once my braids are dry, I will come back, take them down, and let you guys see what my hair is looking like. Okay, so this is actually the 3rd day that I've had my braids in, so I'm just going to go ahead, take this bonnet off, and start taking down my braids. And this is what they are looking like. For the most part, like, I think they pretty much stayed stretched. I mean, I know this is a braid out, and braid outs tend to stretch your hair more than a twist out, but yeah, so we are going to just go ahead and start with this section back here. Okay, so I am finally done taking out my braids, and this is what my hair is looking like. My hair looks really curly, and it kind of looks like I did a wash and go, not necessarily a braid out. But overall, like, my hair feels really soft. My hair has some shine to it, it has movement to it, it has bounce to it. So the claims of this twisting cream is that it is elongating. Granted, I did do a braid out, but it doesn't really look like my hair is that elongated. It almost looks that it is a little bit more shrunken than my usual braid outs. But overall, like, this cream was very moisturizing. It smelled really nice. I have curl definition. My hair feels moisturized. So comment down below and let me know if you have tried this elongating twisting cream, and if you got elongation, or did you have a little bit more shrinkage than usual, or if you didn't really see a difference. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.